My name is Sara Keith. I am the director and owner of the Atlanta School of Photography. I teach video, Photo 1, Photo 2, website, Lightroom, a lot of different things all at once. My teaching philosophy is that everyone is a photographer, but they just don't know it yet. So what I try to do in all my classes is dispel any myths or rumors that photographers have to be this like otherworldly type of profession, and try to make it as relatable as possible. Showing you that you have a camera in your pocket and you taking pictures every day is being a photographer. You are taking as many pictures as you possibly can. It's just taking it into a different realm of understanding. Everyone can learn how to become a photographer. You just have to know the right way to do it. And I hope that me and the other awesome instructors here at the school can teach you how to do that. In my classes, I really like for there to be a constant dialogue between the instructor and the student. One thing that I'm so proud of that we offer here is that dialogue and that feedback. You can ask us questions and we will actually respond to you. We're not a YouTube video that you have to rewind every 5 seconds just to see if you understood what they said. You can ask us. If you are sitting there and you're like, wait, I don't know what that meant, we're gonna help you figure that out and go through that process of learning with you. And I make sure that all of our classes are really interactive and fun, so we are not only teaching, but we're really hands-on about that type of teaching. You can stay at home and read a book or watch videos all day, but we want to make that experience interactive, hands-on, and a lot of fun while you're here. And I know someone else is going to say this, but my favorite thing about teaching is seeing that little light bulb go off in a student's eye, whether they're 4 years old or 80. There's always that opportunity to be able to keep learning, and no matter at what age, when you get to learn something new and everything starts to click, it's that little light bulb that I see go off in their heads and they go, oh, I'm finally getting it. Or that really exciting part where you get a picture that you've seen online somewhere maybe, or in a magazine, and you're like, I want to try and take that picture, and then you actually do, and a lot faster than you thought that you ever could. That's where it gets really, really, really gratifying as a teacher, when people have that moment of, oh, this is really cool, and I can do it, and I did it.